said I'm going to the gates while they going viral. Life without the Lord, man, it's suicidal. God say turn to him, but they look to idols. You can't keep the fame, just give me the Bible. The world beat me down, but I'm still alive though. Sin made us wicked, that's why Jesus died though. Moses had a staff, Joseph had a fly coat. And all I got is pens, I'ma write these rhymes though. Jesus in the front, but they poke the side though. The Bible is his word, this is just a side note. And I can see the greatest walking with my eyes closed. Listen, this ain't Sandra Bullock, but I brought my blindfold. I here walking by the faith, lift the weight off my soul. Sing the real A's, cause it make you die slow. We can read the word, but we must apply though. Tell the wicked devil this is no fly zone. Blood on the door, he won't creep in my home. Hotter than the stove when you keep the eyes on. When Jesus cracked the sky, man, I hope your pride gone. Cause all of those in Christ gon' pack up and fly home.
Yeah, this a no-fly zone. I know fly zone. I know fly zone. This a no-fly zone. I know fly zone. I know fly zone. Yeah, this a no-fly zone. I know fly zone. No fly zone. Yeah, this a no-fly zone. I know fly zone. I know fly zone. Yeah.
Time to wait now. We out on the battlefield, this ain't no playground. Feel like 8 Mile, I was way down. Got me the way out, no we can't play around. We in this together, we can fight through whatever. Recognize that you golden, we got heavenly treasure. When life gets too loud, just apply the compressor. Just fight through the weather and live, we got forever. Fighting against entities and principalities. I gotta live for God, I know them demons after me. I can't be enticed, the enemy can't flatter me. I can't live a life cause God in my anatomy. We gotta see at the table, we can't get caught up with foolishness and follow fables. I got love for all my neighbors, like I love myself. Took my talents off the shelf, show you how my God can bless. Yeah, Psalm 23, don't you ever forget. We out here walking through the valley with shadows of death, looking up to God for their holy and help. We can't be sublime, God make it better with time. It ain't no time to wait now. We out on the battlefield, this ain't no playground. Feel like 8 Mile, I was way down. Got me the way out, no we can't play around. We in this together, we can fight through whatever. Recognize that you golden, we got heavenly treasure. When life gets too loud, just apply the compressor. Just fight through the weather and live, we got forever.
Hey, when Jesus found me, I was broken to 1,000 pieces. He said, I'll stop the bleeding bones, it's your time and season. And as I lift you off the ground, you must decline and decrease. We as humans think we strong until we find our weakness. I know it's hard, but never stop believing. Wade in the water, this ain't Aquafina. He got rewards, but God is not a genie. Pull out the sword, we go to war with demons. This ain't no playground, we been on the battlefield. Moving through the night, he be the light just like a chandelier. Two or more together, feel his presence, Jesus standing near. I just put my heart into this wind like the Planeteer. Look at what his hand revealed, pray until the land is healed.
It ain't no time to wait now. We out on the battlefield, this ain't no playground. Feel like 8 Mile, I was way down. Got me the way out, no we can't play around. We in this together, we can fight through whatever. Recognize that you golden, we got heavenly treasure. When life gets too loud, just apply the compressor. Just fight through the weather and live, we got forever.
And when it gets hard, and it will, don't quit on me.
You must think before you move.
Checkmate.
Where'd you learn how to do that?
It's just a simple, stupid game, man.
What what you tried to do, you couldn't destroy me. I'm still standing. I'm still strong.
Surprised you've opened eyes to see the torment. I could be blind, but see, I already know them. No ignoring the signs by closing eyes they seen in darkness. I could be blind, but see, I already know and no ignoring the signs by closing my eyes they seen in darkness. Because we break the world and we may sway back and forth. In the last days, the last corner to run my course. Backslid a couple times, but see, I ain't get the boy. Backslid a couple times, I'm still with Christ. I'm still strong. Feels the void. It's okay, but to our babies moving forward. Faster than light, my fire shines, it's looking gorgeous. Gotta deny, must deny it was normal.
Let us make man in our image and our likeness. In the beginning, dominion, we was righteous. Serpent, he came with inventions and devices. He act like our friend, but within he never liked us. You will not die if you try, it was his message. He blew out our candles and handed us a death wish. God had a plan, cause our fall, it was expected. We had to learn that his son was our perfection. Let us make man in our image and our likeness. When he arrive in the skies, we gon' be like him. Already bought us, get caught up in his glory. Only a fool will want war with Jesus warming. Reading the words, some don't know they in the story. Never go back on this path, we moving forward. Old man has died, now his pride got rigor mortis. Like Abraham through the land, I've been exploring. I see the signs, still I'm blind, I can't ignore it. Feeling like John when baptizing in the Jordan. Adopted by God, I've been found, I was an orphan. No longer fear, I see clear, no more distortion. We in the time, he must find your house in order. If you deny him, he'll deny you for the Father. Come as a child, over time we getting older. We lost many things on this journey, but he'll restore us.
Yes! Randy Watson! That boy is good. Good and terrible.
There was even this theory that says drug money was the only thing that prevented the collapse of the global economy in 2008. You know when real estate went bust? Because drug money was the only cash available to prop up big banks. Not to mention the 350 million narco dollars that paid for bridges and roads and healthcare, probably even education. Maybe even part of this school.
Jonah, would you step outside for a minute, please?
So don't call this number anymore, 'cause I won't be there for you like I was before. I should have listened to my friends, they always told me. They said you were just like for the rest. I'm thinking loud and can't.
Hey, Twix, you got a hit.
Hey, so many moments back then was so hysterical. Seemed like history entered me on a schedule. Got perfected my energy from my head to toe. Watching me grow since a kid creating kitty jokes. People looked at his trees, roots looked at his robes. Either it can set you free or watch you fidget and choke. Either way you go, you decide your end result. And that's why Christ gave you a choice that will cherish your soul. Live or die, die, live. Which one do you want? To live while sinning is not living, it's just down slow. To die while living is better, it keep you living long. Similar to songs that's outdated but keep coming on. It's a transition, you feel it when filled up with the truth. A frequency that is frequent on Christ's radio. Singing repentance and hit the key to signal strong. To be reborn spiritually in the spiritual war. You can see results physically, literally through choices. Spirits make up your character, your feelings and forehead. If you can name the feeling, you can name the spirit on you. You know what's name, use your brain and take it to the Father. You can pray but pleading the blood, get them demons bother. Get them quickly off you, now your strategy stronger. They flee a little longer, cause they can't stand the blood. Will you overcome by blood, spill testimony from tongues. if that's how the angels won, then how much more with us? Of course I miss my friends, but they was missing love. Maybe we'll double back, I'll submit it to God, and if it's never that, then I can never call.
Maybe we'll double back and have our love rekindle. Ain't no tomorrow, so I'm sorry if I did offend you. Love is sacred, it was racing, picking up momentum like Rapunzel had, you just threw it out the window. Had the door wide open, but I couldn't commando. Jesus Christ, he be the door, I'm screaming, I surrender. The one who started everything, he can truly end us. And how you spend eternity depend on where you end up. We still living in this womb, this is just a build up. TikTok, Ziploc, we are really sealed up. We are kids with the power, but it's not Matilda. When this temple get demolished, you gon' see the real us. Everybody see the gain, it's about what you give up. Deny yourself and love your neighbor, this is what we live for. The way we loading up in Christ, it feel like a field trip. Plus our Father gave permission when he signed a real slip. It's like my tears dried up and I no longer cry. On my quest to seek for help and I'm like, who am I? Until you really hate what's evil, you can't even die. Until you learn to love your neighbor, you can't come alive. Suit and tie, false preaching, yeah, they wear disguise. Let God be the truth and every man a lie. I bring the bread for my children and my humble wife. Cause you worse than the heathen when you don't provide. Some will go down under, but yet some will rise. While the days are getting shorter, yeah, they summarize. Many things in my past left me traumatized. Jesus had his hand on us, we just don't realize.
I'm not even wrinkled up yet. Keep reading.
Ooh, yeah. You see a bus and he move. Right. We got a whole lot to gain and we ain't got nothing to lose. Yeah, we done all took losses. Now we just get W's. Yeah, we come in the name of the Father, so it ain't no way we can lose. Ooh, yeah. You see a bus and he move. We got a whole lot to gain and we ain't got nothing to lose. Yeah, we done all took losses. Now we just get W's. Yeah, we come in the name of the Father, so it ain't no way we can lose.
We cannot lose, cause we got the victory. Though they offended me, God is defending me. If I am weak, he supply me my energy. Prepare my table before all my enemies. For all believers who got disabilities, see your ability. Playing through injuries, talking about prophecy. Ain't no epiphany, my name is bad, the spirit is lifting me. This is a bag, you can't get at Tiffany's. Piping the sound and they are not listening. We are in spirit, but we don't appear to be. Drawing and he gon' draw near to me. Taking this truth from the US to Italy. God is rebuilding me, more than the enemy. Faith is a giant, so you can't belittle me. Riddle me, we are at liberty. Gave me new legs, so check my agility. I walk in love, so ain't no more fear of me. They out here scoffing, but they don't know diddly. Put in the body, but took out my misery. I'm out here walking, but words he's sending me. Walking by faith, so I don't see it visually. I was so empty till God started filling me. We in the end, I hope you remember me.
Ooh, yeah. You see a bus and he move. We got a whole lot to gain and we ain't got nothing to lose. Yeah, we done all took losses. Now we just get W's. Yeah, we come in the name of the Father, so it ain't no way we can lose. Ooh, yeah. You see a bus and he move. We got a whole lot to gain and we ain't got nothing to lose. Yeah, we done all took losses. Now we just get W's. Yeah, we come in the name of the Father, so it ain't no way we can lose.
We don't play soccer, but this how we kick it. We go to the block and we handle the business. See, we never losing, we constantly winning. I guess that's the reason they be in their feelings. They want us to forfeit, but we are not quitting. Going forward on 4th and long and 4th and inches. We are not nervous and we are not timid. See, it can't be on you, it gotta be in you. See, we gon' keep moving like this to the ending. And we are not finished, it's just the beginning. And we don't do this for no likes or no mentions. But he moody, we bustin', it's starting to get trendy. I know they don't like it, they starting to get in. Get up out of your feelings and handle your business. If you wanna win and get up on the team. If you don't, you just gon' have to watch from a distance. And we be like,
ooh, yeah. You see a bus and he move. We got a whole lot to gain and we ain't got nothing to lose. Yeah, we done all took losses. Now we just get W's. Yeah, we come in the name of the Father, so it ain't no way we can lose. Ooh, yeah. You see a bus and he move. We got a whole lot to gain and we ain't got nothing to lose. Yeah, we done all took losses. Now we just get W's. Yeah, we come in the name of the Father, so it ain't no way we can lose. Ooh.
You gotta deny yourself. That's what Jesus said. Any man wanna follow me, he gotta deny himself and pick up his cross daily.
Every idle word you say, you gotta stand on. And if it's from the wrong tree, don't put your hands on. You think them guns that you got make you a man, don't it? That 45, it got your back until it jam on you. You thought lil' homie was your friend until he ran on you. And now you stuck behind them bars when they slam on you. We don't appreciate what's up until we down under. And when that judge give you life, you wanna die, mama.
Mom. Yeah, that's right.
That's what I call for your mama.
The devil looking just like light because he transformed. And many children lost their life behind a handgun. They buying jewelry but don't notice all the land gone. They just make that bed harder that they land on. Yeah, they say you ain't somebody till somebody kill you. But I know somebody who was out to heal us. Plus he gave his body, and his body it was not appealing. Beauty was inside him, his embodiment was not familiar. Jews wasn't rocking with him. Yeah, they just want the models and the bodybuilders. No longer taking pictures less they got a filter. Less you sacrifice for fame, then you not a member. The 95, they must look up to the 5%ers. Yeah, it's a hypocritical nation. It's where they wear an apron and brag about being a mason. Where strippers get a raise and nothing go to the waitress. Hit the NBA, young boy, and you might make it. Just keep NBA, young boy, in your rotation.
I think I need help. I got an anger problem.
YouTube, Instagram, it's just a matrix, couple green screens. Most actors don't mistake it when the fire come. What was painted is holiness and godliness is what I stand for. Hourglass is almost empty, watch the sand pour. I'm just capturing the moment like I camcord. They in school with the bag like it's JanSport. If you a prince who got a chain, then who your landlord? And if salvation really free, then why you paying for it? Once they turn you to a puppet, they'll demand more. Until they see you backsliding like a van door. And they gon' keep you on that stage, Luther Vandross. Drain the oil out your body, turn your lamps off. They turning everybody gay, look how the man walk. Jang-a-lang, you say your hands off.
You won't have no problem adjusting.
God fill me with true love and sympathy. Spirit guard the body like bodyguards can't get to me. Can't feel his presence while you kneeling at a Christmas tree. Didn't believe in Santa cause my house didn't have a chimney. They had the parents promoting breaking and entering. But when the children mimic the same thing, they sentenced them. There's no love, they shed the blood of the innocent. You work for 50 years but hard to get all your benefits. The Lord, they won't back off. I be riding with the lamb, they buying Jaguars. The devil got them going in circles like a NASCAR. Everybody buying demons, that's they fast car. See my chance and I won't blow it like a scratch off. You returning back to vomit, that's a bad dog. Parents out here raising canes like a grandpa. They trying to put you in the box, you just playing cards.
Yo man, where you get these clothes? You look like the Grinch that stole hip-hop.
The only book they know is books they get when playing cards. We were born in this battle, this ain't Vanguard. Don't want Christ, but then they praise a million man march. They reject the words of Christ, they want what man talk, man talk, man talk.
Sunlight shining down through my window, and happiness it rolls all around. I can feel it in my soul. Know your love it won't get old, nah. Mama always said from the start it won't be easy, but God he watching over my heart. He keeps me breathing today. Yeah. I know you won't go away. Yeah. Cause we've been rooted in love, straight from heaven above. And it's different, a bright happy feeling. We've been washed in the blood. Yeah. We've been rooted in love. Nah. We've been rooted in love.
Sunlight shining down through my window. Happiness it rolls all around. I can feel it in my soul. Get cause we've been rooted in love. It's straight from heaven above. And it's different, a bright happy feeling. We've been washed in the blood. We've been rooted in love. We've been rooted in love. It's straight from heaven above. And it's different, a bright happy feeling. We've been washed in the blood. We've been rooted in love. We've been rooted in love.
Someday every fighter loses. Sooner or later somebody comes along and they got your ticket. Too old, just wasn't your day, whatever the reason is. In the end, everybody gets beat.
But his father called for the servants. and said, "Bring me the finest robe in the house and put it on him. Put rings on his hands and shoes on his feet." My son was dead and is alive again.
If you want the truth, get the Bible, you gon' find out. Time of possessions, we done ran out of time out. If you fell in sin, call on Jesus, you can climb out. Who can make a list of all the things I done cry about? Took the low seat when Jesus called me from that skybox. Jesus made the call to that heart that never dialed out. I was falling down, faced with frown, cry my eyes out. Jesus picked me up and told me, son, you can smile now. And you must be proven I'm gon' run you through some trials now. The woman who was clothed with the sun gon' birth a child out. Gotta run, hard to see the sun when the clouds out. Look inside my heart and you'll see faith you'll never find out. 12 disciples, 12 tribes, 12 on the time clock. Only 12 hours in the day before it's dark out. Spirit going north, I was raised in the down south. Down in the dirty bluest breath, I came alive. I see he made a promise, rainbow is never tie-dye. World evil, I don't wanna see it cause I'm blind now. See the devil tactics, he attacking from the blind spot. Staying sober, I can't leave this earth like Amy Winehouse. Give it all to Jesus like a wrinkle, it get ironed out. Used to skim the word, now I read it line by line now. I was out here slipping, drinking liquor till I passed out. Sitting reminiscing about conditions in that crack house. Now I'm found, no hospital gown, I won't back out. Jesus lift this weight up off my shoulder cause I maxed out. Wolves in sheep clothing out here looking like some mascots. When they heart get cold, they gon' fold like a laptop. Antoine Fisher on the porch.
This is my time. You understand me?
Everything look different once you witness from the sideline. They rejecting Jesus, but for evil they gon' find time. Put on instrumentals, read the scriptures while I wind down. Devil really think we shooting blanks, these are live rounds. Ran out of oil, you must run away and buy now. He don't want the blood of your bulls, this ain't Chi-Town. You ain't really holy, he already laid that life down. Whole time, he was planning this out the whole time. Wilderness, he was walking with him the whole time. I've been waiting for this the whole time. Come to find out they was trying to kill me the whole time.
Now we get the win like a clothesline. Diving in our word like a gold mine.
Just that living water make my soul shine. Used to live in sin, I am home now. Told my bigger brother no more walking to that store now. Everything that's in me really seeping out my pores now. Came and pulled the cord out, had no dead homies. Still that liquor, man, I poured it out. Just turned 36, you know I'm almost 40 now. Ain't no Ice Cube, I'm no longer drinking 40s now. Every single prophet, they get welcome to this slaughterhouse. All they wicked schemes and machines, I'm gon' call it out. Seeing it sweet as honey, they got money, now they ballin' out. World is still on fire, see the steam like a coffee pot.
That's an awfully hot coffee pot.
You mind waiting for the punchline first, brother?
Swear that you the greatest, you skip Bayless, you just talk a lot. Children misbehaving, so he whipping like a parking lot. I see the path, it's right in front of me. I see the angels moving in harmony, shining like stars. This ain't astronomy. God said honor me in Deuteronomy. Devil was body slammed out of heaven. We saw him crashing before the economy. God showed us true love, it was astonishing. And he said it's finished, and that was the summary. If you want the love, you can get it if you go to him. I'ma pipe the sound, mix it down like it's Pro Tools. Eat the flesh and blood, wash it down like it's soul food. God got dominion, now these demons can't control you. You can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make him drink. God can take a wretched man and turn him to a saint. If a woman need the word, I'ma tell her like a bank. Jesus the lieutenant, he got power, he got rank. Yeah.
My son was dead and is alive again.
I'll be watching the world watch till earth stops. Straighten up what was cursive, no cursing. Showing my super person like Clark Kent. Saving children with soft hearts and hard heads. There's a poem that points you to progress. There's an infant that's innocent with sin on them, with a parent that love him but on the corner. Surrounded by a community filled with whoredom. All the violence and poverty keep him tortured. Can't expect them to get ready without a warning. That's like you sending a text to someone who phone on, or someone asking for extra when there's a shortage. Don't wanna hear me start preaching, they hear a chorus. As they heart racing, brain thinking deep in the moment. When life is so out of balance, it's getting boring. Still ain't in adolescence. And everyone going around you are immature kids. Man, I'm just trying to relate to see if I know ya. Cause everything I'm describing describes the old me. So if I know I relate, the gospel can roll in. They say one player already and now he's scoring. If it say one, then I know it can say the whole team. This ain't about where you're going, it's time to grow now. It's not about where you're going, it's what the goal is. So I'll be watching the world watch the earth stop. I'll be watching the world watch the earth stop. Straight and know I was cursive, no cursing. Show me my super person, no Clark Kent.
Yeah, we must take the flight in Christ before the lights off. Sin is something you can't disinfect with Lysol. We've been drugged, see the blood on the white cloth. The resurrection spirit rising while the night falls. Biggest lesson in this life is that we learn to grow. Everything you lost in war, you get 100-fold. Don't fear the one who killed the body but can't take the soul. We ain't takers, we just step back while he take control. To get the picture, placed our bodies in these broken frames. Many people said it's over, then I overcame. If you show yourself approved, then you not ashamed. Those with God no longer sinning cause they see remain. I just hope the picture painted like it's drywall. I can't let go of his hand cause I might fall. A life that has no corruption, what a life calls. Perfect flavor gave this earth the right amount of salt. The walk it tend to get real hard when you don't smile. Even though I'm 36, I'm still a young child. Gave me bread, fixed my legs, now I'm running miles. Had to put my love in action, can't just run my mouth. And if them demons in your temple, we gon' run them out. By what's going in your mouth, just know you ain't defiled. Your form is truly manifested by what's coming now. The whole land is really wicked, it's 100 houses out. Made a lot of mistakes in my life, but I am learning from it. All of them problems that's holding me down, I'm no longer running from it. Telling my mama to look at me now, I hope you're proud of me. I was in debt with a heart that was frozen, he took it out of me, I made a lot of mistakes in my life, but I am learning from it. All of them problems that's holding me down, I'm no longer running from it. Telling my mama to look at me now, I hope you're proud of me. I was in debt with a heart that was frozen. He took it out of me, out of me, out of me.
You have no idea what death is.
Broke that power down, he became my battery. I can't be speaking as if I ain't tweaking. The sin he took out of me, rest in my gallery. Pledge your allegiance, then I hope you mean it. Because in the season of faith and fatalities, mama, it's something I did. I don't know what it is, but it's serious. And in my reality, they want the bars in the song. The sound of the soothing, the boosting, removing their boundaries. I'm suited and booted, been prior recorded. The update my arm, my life is the new lit. It only work if you work to use it for permanent uses. No need for a movement, that would be foolish. How are you wise? Don't know what the foolish. Wanna be wise, gotta be a fool. That mean that remove me, you might end up doing. Searching for truth and no false walking forwards. Lost in the loop, getting more out of order. Looking just like me when you praying for peace and you know you're the reason. God do it restoring.
I made a lot of mistakes in my life, but I am learning from it. All of them problems that's holding me down, I'm no longer running from it. Telling my mama to look at me now, I hope you're proud of me. I was in debt with a heart that was frozen, he took it out of me, out of me. I made a lot of mistakes in my life, but I am learning from it. All of them problems that's holding me down, I'm no longer running from it. Telling my mama to look at me now, I hope you're proud of me. I was in debt with a heart that was frozen, he took it out of me, out of me. All of them problems that's holding me down, I'm facing them head up. Jesus is real, he gave me new legs, I'm taking my bed up. I could've died in that darkness, like Jonah when fleeing to Tarshish. I keep the Lord where my heart is, like the widow when making the fartland. I know that Jesus the offering, cause he walking on water like carpets. Them demons, they softer than cartilage. With the spirit of Christ, I'm a target. I am too weak, so I'm grabbing his hand. I'm already branded, don't care about no brands. I stay in the sun for that spiritual tan. I'm dodging the ghosts while I follow the lamb. Life is a test, we the living exam. Time come to on, we all get a chance. I'm reading this mail, it's not in my spam. We winning with fire like NBA Jam. Won't see the pearl till you open the clam. Took all my burdens, they buried in sand. He broke all my mountains right down to a gram. Ain't no debate cause he said that I am. I made a lot of mistakes in my life, but I am learning from it. All of them problems that's holding me down, I'm no longer running from it. Telling my mama to look at me now, I hope you're proud of me. I was in debt with a heart heart that was frozen, he took it out of me, out of me. I made a lot of mistakes in my life, but I am learning from it. All of them problems that's holding me down, I'm no longer running from it. Telling my mama to look at me now, I hope you're proud of me. I was in debt with a heart that was frozen, he took it out of me, out of me.
I climbed the mountain and get to the fountain. Used to be drowning in pain, it was countless. Suffer like Job, but I will not go sin. In Christ is the victory, we got the win. Away to his righteousness, turn from the sin. Holy Ghost moving, it's just like the wind. Christ is the Alpha, beginning and end. Christ is the life and he is not the trend. I call him the Father, cause that's who he is. All about his business, I see through his lens. Say I'm in sin, well you must got me bent. Preaching up boldly, I'm right in the trench. Fixing me up, but not using a wrench. Coach put me in, so I'm not on the bench. If you need some help, then my hand I will lend. Turn from a boy right up into a man. My heart I will give him and it will be cleansed. Gave me a spirit, I'm under his tent. Eat from the man, now I'm loving the bread. He bruising my heel and I'm bruising his head. Christ gave me wisdom, so I stay ahead. In love with the Bible, them letters in red. They thought they killed him, but Christ is not dead. They thought they killed him, but Christ is not dead.
He's going before them, and the sheep follow him, for they know his voice.
I made a lot of mistakes in my life, but I am learning from it. All of them problems that's holding me down, I'm no longer running from it. Telling my mama to look at me now, I hope you're proud of me. I was in debt with a heart that was frozen, he took it out of me, out of me. I made a lot of mistakes in my life, but I am learning from it. All of them problems that's holding me down, I'm no longer running from it. Telling my mama to look at me now, I hope you're proud of me. I was in debt with a heart that was frozen, he took it out of me, out of me.
Clock is ticking, son. You have no time.
Salam. Shalom. Praise Lord, chillin' with the Most High. Rockin' with the realest, on my haters don't die. Praise Lord, winning cause he too fly. Never I would lie, never I would lie, nah. Praise Lord, chillin' with the Most High. Rockin' with the realest, on my haters don't die. Praise Lord, winning cause he too fly. Never I would lie, never I would lie. If the truth be a drug, then I'm taking big doses. Death to the fake and Mada handing big roses. Giving you some art and you know what the show is. Gotta guard your heart from the people that's the closest. Rappers straight actors and I'm seeing through the poses. Over here stopping waves like I'm Brother Moses. Really how it goes, I just hope we grow through this. Always worry about yourself, kinda like Judas. Always got the team ready, always got the beam ready. Always on the ground walking this walk, I'm real steady, never worrying. Cause I know the Lord got me. Rappers in the industry, moving real sloppy. Popping on the internet, but they real choppy. Many rappers popping it, the streets real floppy. Flaws and all, but I'll be down with disciples. Flawless king, the word of God like a rifle. Rappers lost souls, really thinking it's cool again. Never will I tell a fan it's cool to be hooligan. I'm saying he the God, but you thinking it's blasphemy. Saying you my brother, but you people won't blaspheme. Preaching, never reaching, only teaching what I know. Mad at eating, never creeping, I be reaping what I sow. You be sleeping, steady dreaming, I be leading all the bros. Jesus healing when he's speaking, that's really how it goes, yeah. Praise Lord, chillin' with the Most High. Rockin' with the realest, on my haters don't die. Praise Lord, winning cause he too fly. Never I would lie, never I would lie.
I say heart heavy, keep on that armor. You know I'm war ready, never die, believe I can fly. But this ain't R. Kelly, Bible cutting straight to the heart. Carving with sharp edges. Put your faith in Christ in your life, he'll make it all better. Proof is in the pudding like Bill Cosby with large sweaters. Satan going straight for that pig, quick as a dog catcher. Let the dead bury they dead, spiritual pallbearers. Me and Sirk praying, no cap, I'm talking small letters. Righteousness that come by the faith, I'm reading Paul letters. Can't worship no other gods because my God jealous from the art. We be on guard, still fun, Marbury. God really split C-sections without a scarred belly. Speaking of the faith, Christ had it in him without measure. Jesus came down to the earth, but he the top mentioned. Serious as Viola Davis when she got snot dripping. God put his son in the winter just like Doc Rivers. Plot thicken, God made a story and we got dropped in it. Showed us how to swim in this water when it got sharks in it. Stop listening, donated blood before the hospitals. Clock ticking, setting us free. I hear the locks picking.
Praise Lord, chillin' with the Most High. Rockin' with the realest, on my haters don't die. Praise Lord, winning cause he too fly. Never I would lie, never I would lie. Praise Lord, chillin' with the Most High. Rockin' with the realest, on my haters don't die. Praise Lord, winning cause he too fly. Never I would lie, never I would lie.
But he said, if you wait till I exalt you, I give you the desire of your heart.
Yeah.
Christ, I will really die for you. Christ, I'm on your side and I will ride for you. Christ, you are my king and I won't lie to you.
Jesus Christ, I will really die for you. God, he can see it all. Coming and he lead the charge. Had nowhere to sleep or lodge, cause he reside in people's hearts. Walking but can't see afar, and guaranteed to see them all. Walking on this holy ground, and I just took my sneakers off. Holy well we should draw. Catching bread, peaks or toss. Came down, left the 99 to retrieve the lost. I'm tired of greedy dogs who preaching walls and seek applause. They don't want you free, you are merely horses they keep in stalls. All these people thinking it's bigger houses and switching cars. ATMs, big withdrawals while holding you against the law. I understand that you overstand me, you the one who made me. Even though I got gray hairs, I'm still your baby. A crying baby that's dying daily with time fading. In due time, you seek and find your divine greatness. Take my time and try to heal from it. Gotta hit the chill button, devil tell you drill something. Jesus told us, yeah, they gon' lie, deceive, and steal from you. Count up all your blessings and be glad your heart is still pumping. We gon' watch his kingdom come. We gon' see his will be done. Free gift, love don't cost a thing. Christina Million. The throne is what he sit upon. Gave us all a different tongue. Scribes put that weight on their shoulder, but they won't lift it for him. Yeah, the day the Sabbath, I walk with Jesus, I'm picking corn. Deny yourself, must die to self, how you get reborn. Those of you who live in guns, you are truly misinformed. Life is not a video game, and we don't get respond. Crisis coming, quick response, kinda like we tripped alarms. Putting on the whole armor, you just put your city on. Water about to fill up, bring the barrels like you Diddy Kong. Ain't no me and I, we a tribe, just like Simeon. They was beating Moses to God, told him, lift your arms. And Goku stole the concept with the spirit bomb. If you walk in power, must acknowledge where you get it from. Claim they in the bosom, but that bosom fake is silicone. Announce it on your intercoms. Heaven, we gon' intercom. We gon' barely make it like track racers who getting bronze. Thinking of the track when you look at John. Then the sun showed us how it's done. He made a run, then switch baton. God is full of greatness, you must be patient, you'll get your turn. We must learn to live, that's the reason that we live to learn. Huh?
Jesus Christ, I will really die for you.
You're the one.
Christ, I'm on your side and I will ride for you. Christ, you are my king and I won't lie to you. Preparing for the wedding with the bride, your groom. Jesus Christ, I will really die for you. Christ, I'm on your side and I will ride for you.
You're the one.
Christ, you are my king and I won't lie to you. Preparing for the wedding with the bride, your groom. Jesus talking, I know that they hating though. Christ is truly holy, he's amazing though. His water's what I drink and yes, I know he's the source. Focus on his light, his love just keep me on course. His hand is always saving, it could never be short. Turn from fornication, got no ties to the whore. Christ is truly freedom, gave me wings so I soar. Holy Ghost, he lead me, take my time on this course. People throwing food out, but they don't feed the poor. Walking by the men that got beat up on the floor. Iniquity is growing, so the house waxing cold. For Christ I am a preacher, and I will just stand bold. No matter if it's prison or my head's on the floor. I fear the one who really can just go kill my soul. I love you, Jesus Christ, and I'm thankful for sure. I love you, Jesus Christ, and I'm thankful for sure. Jesus Christ, I will really die for you.
You're the one.
Christ, I'm on your side and I will ride for you. Christ, you are my king and I won't lie to you. Preparing for the wedding with the bride, your groom. Jesus Christ, I will really die for you. Christ, I'm on your side and I will ride for you.
You're the one.
Christ, you are my king and I won't lie to you. Preparing for the wedding with the bride, your groom. Jesus Christ, I will really die for you. Christ, I'm on your side and I will ride for you. Christ, you are my king and I won't lie to you. Preparing for the wedding with the bride, your groom. With the bride, your groom. With the bride, your groom. Jesus Christ, I will really die for you. Jesus Christ, I will really die for you.
I'm telling you all that I will fall down.
Lord, I'm sorry. Lord, I need you. Lord, I'm sorry for the things I've done. You're the only one always there for me. I'm sorry for doing you wrong. Lord, I need you. I can't do it on my own. I'm sorry for the things I've done. You're the only one always there for me. I'm sorry for doing you wrong. Lord, I need you. I can't
love me and you care for me. A friend closer than a brother, always there for me. The one that rose from the dead, knows all things. Same one counter every single hair on my head. You put the rainbow in the sky, always keep your promise. Hate it when I sin against you, the one that make you vomit. Hungry for the truth, Lord, I need more. When I go the wrong way, you always make a detour. Thank you for the gift of life. It's a blessing when you leave your house in the morning to make it back at night. Lord, help me stop doing you wrong. Forgive me, can't do it on my own. Lord, I am sorry for the things I've done. You're the only one always there for me. I'm sorry for doing you wrong. Lord, I need you. I can't do it on my own. I'm sorry for the things I've done. You're the only one always there for me. I'm sorry for doing you wrong. Lord, I need you. I can't do it on my own.
Dear Lord, we've been falling since the garden. You know I'm sorry for the gods I got involved with. I hear the calling for us all, cause we the lost sheep. Forgive our thoughts and all our faults. Make me a mouthpiece, plenty flaws, and I got scars, but still my heart beat. You paid the cost, picked up the cross, you never charged me. I got some darkness on my cloth, so take it off me. Forgive the hardness of my heart when I was salty. I want the life put in 2 mics to make a fartland. I swim with sharks, but in my heart I'm just a dolphin. Cause you are godly. Through my walk I see you partly. See I was falling through the dark, but then you caught me.
I'm sorry for the things I've done. You're the only one always there for me. I'm sorry for doing you wrong. Lord, I need you. I can't do it on my own. I'm sorry for the things I've done. You're the only one always there for me. I'm sorry for doing you wrong. Lord, I need you. I can't do it on my own.
Get out of yourself. And once I step back, I be seeing the deep things of God. And so I don't play with it. I don't ask him for a lot. I just say, give me my portion for the day. I don't want a lot of things. Just give me enough that I can deal with.
Shower. They thought I was dead. To live is Christ, to die is gain. I counted the cost before I started to walk. It's priceless. I'm dead now, not lifeless. By his works, I'm righteous. He said, eat my flesh and drink my blood, consume me. They would love me if they knew me, but they chose to be unruly. Silly you. Oh, foolish generation, where's your face? I'm seek the law and fall from grace. I'm not this world and shut your face. Who is to blame? Shall we compromise to rise to fame? Denounce the sun and try to flame. Go get the bag, deny his name. I think not. I'm locked in, unmoved like I'm locked in. High faith that I won't bend. Suffer much with a big grin. Defend the faith like I'm Big Ben. Not halfway, but I'm in. Round here we call it sin. Don't sell your soul for 20
Well, around here,
no, the devil can try, but I won't lose control. I won't give him my life for money and power and fame. Till I burn in the fire and flame. No, I won't sell my soul. Let the devil know I won't sell my soul.
Best, Devin. But when you're in the field, nobody hears you. They hear the band. I'm band.